Do you need to know how to use Do Not Disturb for individual contacts on your iPhone? Well, Do Not Disturb allows silencing all notifications from the specific person. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can include DND for any individual contact on your iPhone. So let's get started. Method 1. Mute notifications for a contact from Messages application. Open up the Messages app. Select the conversation with the contact you want to mute. Now tap the contact's name or avatar at the top. Scroll down. After that, toggle Hide Alerts to On. Method 2. Go to Settings app. Scroll down. After that, tap Focus. Choose the focus mode you want to use for this contact. Now select Silence Notification From. You can also allow calls from silenced people by enabling it. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. Now you can experience focus mode for any individual contact on your iPhone. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching!